Exmark Pioneer S series: How to replace blade belt.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is Will be happy to assist you. Please let me know if you are still in need of assistance. I will be happy to work with you. What is the width of your deck? Belt routing diagram, click here. I have attached a link to a belt routing diagram. Please take a look at it. There is an idler arm on your deck that has a pulley and a spring attached to it. Place your belt on this pulley last. You can loop a piece of rope over the hook on the end of your spring in order to stretch and reattach it. We can continue from here. Thanks again.
48. Pioneer S series. We'll be replacing it this weekend. It's the blade belt.
Thanks for your response. The diagram I posted is for your deck.
Thank you. Will contact if I have any issues.
You are very welcome. I do hope all goes well for you. When you have an opportunity, please take a moment to rate my assistance. Thanks.
Okay, so here I am in front of this. Where should I start?
Remove the pulley covers from your deck first.
Okay, did that.
Thank you for confirming. Put your belt on your spindle pulleys first. Use your belt diagram as a guide.
Those would be the black ones, right? Or gold ones?
Your spindle pulleys will have your blades on the opposite side.
Start on those.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Unattach your idler arm spring, then route your belt around your 3 idler pulleys.
How's that unattached? Far getting it started. Feel like I've it lined around all pulleys. You figuring out how to get it to the back.
If you unattach your spring, you will be able to pull your belt back to your PTO clutch pulley. The idler pulley arm with the spring should pivot and give you some slack when your spring is not attached.
What lets you unattach it? Okay, so I'm in to get the belt on, but there's no tension on it. It's loose as a goose.
Loop a piece of rope over the hook end of your spring. The rope will give you more leverage to pull your spring enough to reattach it. Your spring keeps your belt tight. The spring attaches to your deck.
I know, but why isn't there tension on the belt?
Based on your picture, your belt is not routed correctly. Your belt goes around your idler pulley, then to your PTO clutch pulley.
Then.
Now if you pull your spring, your belt will tighten.
Oh, it has tension now. I'm having trouble getting it around the back PTO clutch.
Disconnect your spring and your belt will loosen enough to be put on your PTO clutch.
Thanks, Donald. All finished and running.
Awesome. Thanks for letting me know. I do hope all continues to go well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.